Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you add location into your snaps in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat, just simply click the snap that you want to add location on. Step 2. Add the location. Now after clicking the snap, just simply click to your sticker button here and you can see this location option here. But keep in mind that you must have to turn on location in your device. Now just simply click into this location option here. After coming here, just simply select any of the location that you want to add into your snap. By following these very easy steps, you can also add location into your snap. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from Quick Guide. Thank you for watching the video.